Good morning. As you can see, it is currently snowing. And it's time for work. And guess what? I'm at home trying to shovel out my car. Got my little snowblower right there, but this is a lot, man. So hopefully I can get this cleared out so that I can go to work. But it don't look too good right about now. Man, we had a bad snowstorm last night. Well, yesterday into last night, so I don't know. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. Back in my house, I tried to get all the snow from around my car. I knew I wasn't gonna be able to drive my car, but yeah, it's terrible. So I'm just gonna have to catch an Uber to go to my truck. But I don't even know how the roads look, and they say the highway that I take is supposed to be good to drive on, but I don't know. So I guess I'm gonna be catching an Uber soon. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated when I get to my truck, if I get to my truck. So I'll see you in the next. Right, so update, I wasn't able to get my car from stuck in between the snow, so my company just called me an Uber that's about to come pick me up, and they are going to take me to my truck. So I guess when we get out and we're gonna see how the roads are. If it's too bad, fuck it, I'm not driving, I'm not doing nothing. But they said it shouldn't be too bad on the highways and stuff. So I'm gonna just take it easy, take it slow, not being in no rush. But yeah, we're gonna get this working. I'll see you guys when I get to the truck. Pretty outside though.
No one watch this good.
Yeah. Okay, just made it out of my Uber. Now I'm headed to go pick up my truck. Looks like they did a pretty good job of cleaning everything out around here, so shouldn't be too bad. Walking over to my truck. Yeah, man, it was a bad snowstorm. Really bad snowstorm. So I don't know. We're gonna see how today go. Hopefully my truck is not covered in snow or anything and be all good. But yeah. It's snowing. Look at all the trucks. Well, alright, so I finally made it inside my truck. We gotta let this thing defrost. As you see, snow everywhere. Look at that. Snow everywhere. Now I don't want to do it, but anyway, yeah, I'm gonna let it defrost a little bit before we take off. Anyway, I guess I will do do a little bit of talking now. I don't like this angle, but yeah, man, it's been a long morning. It's been a very long morning. Anyway, how's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog with Open Road with Jaja. As you see, the open road ain't so open right now. We got a snowstorm, still in the middle of a snowstorm. It's like actively snowing right now, so it's like crazy. As you see, all morning I was not able to get my car out from by my house, so I was not able to drive to work or to my truck. So I had to leave my car at home. I had to leave my car at home and take an Uber to my truck. So when I get home, I'm gonna have to take probably somebody will come get me. But yeah, I won't be able to drive home because my car will still be at home. Anyway, yeah, it's actively snowing. It's a real bad snowstorm. So if you guys haven't went and checked out my tips for driving in the winter, check that out. That's a good video. It's good tips. So I'm definitely going to be using those tips because right now is the perfect time to utilize them. So yeah, the game plan is we're just going over to our terminal and we're going to pick up our trailer and we just going to cruise, because this week we got to go to Chattanooga, Tennessee. So we're just going to cruise. We're not rushing. We're not speeding, especially in this snowstorm. We are not doing no speeding. So pretty much just cruise to where we got to get to tomorrow. But yeah, hopefully this truck gonna defrost and we can head out, and then I can get this nice little vlog out, and then we can move on to our next subject, because I think once we get out of PA it shouldn't be snowing. I think only the snowstorm happened in Pennsylvania. So once I get out of Pennsylvania, I should be good. Maybe it'll be a little bit of snow in like Maryland and Virginia, but I don't think it's like a blizzard or a storm or anything like this. So sorry, I thought you could see my breath, but we should be good. We should be good to cruise on down the road once we get out of Pennsylvania. But anyway, yeah, this has been a crazy morning, but somebody got to do it. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next clip. I couldn't get a good angle of me cleaning off my window because I broke my tripod, but we got it a little bit cleared off. Just wait for it to defrost a little bit more, and then I'll be able to take off. That was no joke, man.
Need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do.
Okay.
Tell me what to do.
Okay.
Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do.
Okay.
Deep down, I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue.
All right, so I made it here to pick up my trailer. This part of PA is really not that bad. It looked like it has been snowing a lot, but they did a good job of like clearing out the roads and, you know, plowing it. So I guess my journey for being stuck in a snowstorm is over. I'm just about to pick up my trailer and I am about to get out of here. So for this video, this is going to be the end of this video. but I'm about to hop on another one. So right after I stop this one, boom, I'm gonna start recording my next one. So I appreciate you guys for watching my stuck in a snowstorm video. I think that's what I'm gonna title it. But I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Tell me what you thought about the video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.
And I take it from me, but they don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a. I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express my love for you. I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall.